Alright, this is Breast Cancer 23andMe Project by Courtney, Tanner, Evonne, and me, Cody.
Breast cancer is the tumor formed on or in the breast. Symptoms is the breast can changes like redness or swelling. The nipple just discharges like other than breast milk. There's pain in or on the breast, and there are lumps or nodes on or in the breast.
Inheritance. It happens in a mutation in the BRAC1 and BRCA2 gene, and it's on the 17th chromosome, and it's 5 to 10% hereditary. Environmental factors are synthetic chemicals called xenoestrogens. They act like estrogens in our body. And in non-industrialized countries, kind of like third world countries, have lower rates of breast cancer than places like America or China. The karyotype, it's on the 17th chromosome, and it's autosomal, so it's not sex-linked, and you cannot inherit the disease.
Okay, this is our pedigree, and breast cancer is autosomal dominant. So this parent has the disease, this one doesn't. So it passes down. All these are recessive, but this one has the disease, and it passes down. And any of the people that have the trait at all dominant are affected. And these are messed up Punnett squares. Here we have a carrier, and down here we have a man that is affected. And as you can see here, this would be a girl, and she would be affected by it. Over here we have a mom that is affected and a dad that's normal, because he has the little b and she has big B's. So here would be big B, little b, big B, little b, and then so on.
23andMe says that breast cancer is 13.5% heredity. This is not true, since breast cancer is only 5 to 10% heredity. This is not an accurate site.
So is it sex-linked or autosomal?
Autosomal.
Okay, so how would your Punnett squares look different then?
It was kind of switched around by accident.
How would your Punnett squares look instead?
Oh, it would have the X's in it.
Yeah.
If somebody had, well, okay, we had a person with, wait, what's the difference between, how do you know the difference between you have breast cancer, like lumps and like breast cancer lumps, or like just mutation lumps, like
But
your DNA?
okay, you know, because like they have like these tests you can do, like they say you're in the shower, you can like feel around your breast and see if you have like an abnormal lump that wasn't really there before you get it checked out.
Oh, so they just appear, they're not just.
Yeah, guys can get it too, so and it's 10 times.
Like you can go to the doctor.
You say I can get it?
Yeah, you can get it.
Should I check then?
Yeah, you can
check.
check right now.
You guys,
Esther,
hold on.
Any other questions?
Yeah, can you explain what it means that it's 5 to 10% hereditary? What do you mean by that?
It's very rare when it's hereditary.
Most of it is just environmental factors like toxins and stuff from
Okay, so
factories.
like 5 to 10% of people who have breast cancer, it's hereditary? Is that what?
No, it's just if your parent has it, it's not really, like, it wouldn't be very common to get it.
On that note, how would it be dominant?
Because only if you have the gene.
And it's
But if it was dominant, that would mean almost everybody would have it.
Yeah, so everyone is mostly recessive.
So it's dominant
Is it dominant or is it recessive?
It's dominant.
what's the genotype? What's the genotype for if you have breast cancer?
It's like give it away.
So if it's dominant and it's so if that would mean there's a 50% chance of getting it passed down because if like your mother had it, right? So
And you said there's only a 10%.
yeah, you just said there's like 5%. Yeah. If somebody got breast cancer, could they sue? Like, 'cause it's environmental, so like,
Could
they what?
Sue
You couldn't
somebody.
necessarily sue somebody, I mean, it's not the other person's fault you got breast cancer, it's not like you can pass it on.
so
Like, give it to
the
somebody
awareness,
else.
is that helping? Like, you know, the breast cancer awareness stuff that they do, is that helping? Like, does the industrialization stuff, like, does it?
Oh,
Look
being
away
like a
from-
very industrialized country, no, it really doesn't, it just increases the risk. And anybody that moves from like a third world country to like America or China, their risk increases the same as our risk.
That's crazy. So they give people breast cancer.
Yeah.
Are there treatments for it?
Yeah, there is treatment. There are treatments for breast cancer. There are like radiation, like you can do like chemotherapy and whatnot for breast cancer, and also like stuff to prevent it since cancer cells do feed on lots of sugars. You can have a diet low in fats and sugars.
Anything else?